Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris Oz, Canopies and 4x4 back here again. What do we have? We have a MR Triton GSR. Today, going to get a roller shutter, going to get a central locking kit fitted to the tailgate as well, and a few other bits and pieces. The car's already started, so let's just get into it. Alrighty guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that assembly and fit process on both the roller shutter and more importantly this central locking kit on this bad boy. So we'll demonstrate that first off. Unfortunately this generation of a Triton did not come with any kind of lock on its tailgate. You don't want to be in a situation where someone can break into your ute just by pulling the tailgate down, right? So very straightforward, we've gone ahead and we've wired it up to the rest of the vehicle so that you can use the factory fob to unlock the tailgate. So I'll demonstrate that now. Unlocked, locked, got to be careful, don't want to end up pulling your handle too hard when it's locked and breaking it. So very, very straightforward. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a like and leave a comment. To all my 1,170 odd subscribers. All my fans, I love all ears. Like, subscribe, notification bell. We'll see you guys on the next one.